cramp my style. I'm a real wild child. You hear me? Here we go. All right. Like a fool, got the message that I gotta